I'm Roxanne Moore, Registered Dietitian and Wellness Director with Sodexo. Most people seem to think that when it comes to eating healthy, it takes extra time and money, but I'm going to walk you through some simple steps for achieving a healthier diet with less cash and less time spent in the kitchen. But to get started, you need a plan. So before you even think about going to the grocery store, sit down, make sure you're writing out a list, and then stick to that list. Because without a list, you're more likely to shop impulsively and spend more money. So be sure your grocery list includes some basic food ingredients that are essential for a well-stocked kitchen. Next, when you're at the grocery store, be sure you're watching out for foods and beverages that add extra calories to your diet without added nutrition. These calorie-dense foods tend to be less healthy for your body and more expensive for your wallet. So when you're shopping, your goal is going to be to choose foods that provide more nutrition for the dollar spent. For example, you want to choose more whole grain foods, more low-fat dairy-type products, more fresh fruits and vegetables, and even frozen fruits and vegetables, and fewer of those packaged snack foods and sugar-laden beverages. Then, you want to build up the resources in your kitchen to include all the necessary food groups to make a balanced meal. Making sure you always have the essential items in your refrigerator, your freezer, and your pantry is going to allow you to organize and plan your meals more effectively. Finally, you may want to consider less traditional options for gathering food resources. Items such as going to food warehouses, local farms, utilizing government programs, or even starting your own garden. Eating healthy and affordably is possible in a turbulent economy, so don't give up hope. Make sure you use some essential pre-planning and take advantage of all the available resources in your community.